Hello children, let's learn the new words beginning with J akshar. First, let's see the formation of J. A small standing line, a curve like an E. From the center, a small line which goes upwards, then comes down, and a sleeping line. This is how J akshar is formed. Now let's learn the words. J pasun jhable. Dh pasun jhable. Jhable means a baby frog. Jhable means a baby frog. Next we have jh pasun jhadap. Jh pasun jhadap. Jhadap is a window shutter. A window shutter can be a wooden framework or made of glass or metal. It's like जैसे हर घर का एक दरवाज़ा होता है. दरवाज़ा हम बंद रखते हैं ताकि हमारा घर सुरक्षित रहे. उसी प्रकार एक शटर होता है विंडो के लिए. समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट वी हैव झ पासून झाड. झ पासून झाड. झाड means a tree. Jhad means a tree. Now here in Jhable you should know to identify Jha and B akshar. Le you need not know. Okay. In Jhadap you should know all the three alphabets to write Jha, R and P. Okay. Next in Jhad you should know to identify R akshar. Yes, R as in Jhad, and here Jh, R, P, all the three letters you should know to write, and here you should know to write Jh and B akshar. Now let's go to the next one. Next we have T akshar. Let's see the formation of T akshar. A small standing line like a C you have to turn, and then a sleeping line. Small standing line, a curve like a C, and a sleeping line. Now let's learn the words with T. That is T. T pasun topi. T pasun topi. Topi means a cap. T pasun topli. T pasun topli. Topli means a basket. Topli means a basket. Next is T pasun tapal peti. T pasun tapal peti. Tapal peti is letterbox. Tapal peti is letterbox. Now here in topi you should only know to write T akshar. Okay. Here in topli you should know to write P akshar. Topali, the middle word P you should know to read and write. Now here in tapal peti you should know to write T, L. Okay. T and L you should know to identify or write in tapal peti. The rest of the akshars you need not learn. Okay class. Now let's go to the next akshar. Now let's learn the words beginning with the akshar Tha. Here you have to write a small standing line, round as an O, and a sleeping line. This is how Tha akshar is formed. Now let's learn the new words beginning with Tha akshar. Tha pasun thokda. Tha pasun thokda. Thokda means a log of wood. Thokda is a log of wood. Tha pasun thasa. Thasa means a stamp. Thasa means a stamp. Next we have Tha pasun thak. Tha pasun thak. Thak means a robber. As you can see in the picture, the policeman has caught the thief. So who is he, children? He is a robber, which is called as thak in Marathi. Now here you should be able to identify ka akshar in thokda. Okay, and here you should be able to write tha as in thasa, and here you should be able to write the whole word, that is thak. Thaka, thak. Now next we have D akshar. Let's see the formation of D. A small standing line, round, take a curve as in S, okay, and a sleeping line. This is how D is formed. Now let's learn the new words. D pasun duff, D pasun duff. Duff is a musical instrument which is called as drum in English. Duff means drum. Next is da pasun damru. Da pasun damru. Damru is also a small drum. Damru is also called as a drum. Da pasun dabba. Da pasun dabba. Dabba means a box. Dabba means a box. Now here you should be able to write the whole word, that is da for duff. Here you should be able to identify and write da and ma akshar in damru. Here you should be able to identify da as in dabba. Got it, children? Let's go to the next akshar. Now let's do dha akshar. Before we did da, now this is dha. There is a difference. DH sounds as dha. Let's see the formation of dha akshar. A small standing line, round like a C and turn from inside. You have to make a curve from inside and a sleeping line. This is how dha akshar is formed. Let's learn new words beginning with dha akshar. Dha pasun dhopar. Dhopar. What is dhopar? You know, dhopar is knee, the part of your leg that's called as knee, and in Marathi it is called as dhopar. Okay. Dha pasun dhal. Dhal means a shield. Dhal means a shield. In olden days, the shield were used by warriors. One who used to fight in the battle, they used to use this shield, which is called as dhal in Marathi, to protect themselves from the attack of the enemy. Okay. Next we have dha pasun dhag. Dha pasun dhag. Dhag, as you know, is cloud in English. Dhag means clouds. Once again, we will read the words beginning with dha akshar. Dha pasun dhopar, dha pasun dhal, and dha pasun dhag. Here, in dhopar, you should be able to identify and write pa and ra akshar. In dhal, you should be able to write la akshar in dhal. And in dhag, you should be able to read and write both the akshars, that is dha and ga, as in dhag. Okay, children? But before I leave, children, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates. That's all for today, class. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.